deadly Puri stampede during the revered Rath Yatra of Bhagwan Jagannath. Devotees succumbing to the killer crush amid the mad scramble for darshan. Dozens injured, some critically, near the Sri Gundicha temple at around 4 in the morning on Sunday. Thousands of devotees had gathered late in the night to witness the Rath Yatra festivities. Chaos broke out after 2 trucks, reportedly carrying materials for rituals, entered the crowded areas near the chariots of Lord Jagannath and his sibling deities.
एग्जिट नहीं था, एंट्रेंस जिस रास्ते से लोग जाते थे वही रास्ते से लोग निकल के आते थे, क्योंकि एग्जिट जहाँ था वहीं पर उन्होंने वीआईपी के लिए व्यवस्था बनाया था। एक भी प्रशासन का अधिकारी रात में कोई भी नहीं थे, सब वीआईपी का सेवा करके जो उनको वीआईपी के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए उनके रास्ते में खड़े थे, जिसके वजह से रथ के सामने ये दुर्घटना घटी।
The injured were admitted to a nearby hospital with 6 individuals said to be in critical condition. The deceased had been identified and their bodies have been sent for post-mortem.
पेशेंट जो मैंने आहत थे से बर्तमान स्टेबल अच्छे आमर 3टी मृत्यु बर्तमान कन्फर्म होकर पोस्टमार्टम प्रक्रिया चलती।
Families of deceased blamed poor emergency response and absence of fire and rescue officials.
पुलिस वाला को सुरक्षित किसी नथला, प्रशासन सुरक्षित किसी नथला, एम्बुलेंस भी नथिला। घंटे काल डाकिलु, पुलिस दौड़ी पड़ेला, आमको साहाय्य कलेनी, कोऑपरेशन कलेनी, सबटा को टेकिक आइलेनी। किसी यदि एम्बुलेंस था मो स्त्री बंची जाता, कौन सी सुरक्षित नथिला आज्ञा।
3 people already died after this incident due to the stampede-like situation, and also 50 people were injured in this incident. And what we have learned from the sources as well, that 7 to 10 people were critically injured in this incident and were being treated right now inside the Puri hospital.
Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Majhi expressed deep regret and sought forgiveness from the devotees affected by the incident. Calling the negligence unpardonable, the Chief Minister assured that strict action would be taken against those found guilty. The Odisha government has transferred the district collector and the Puri SP. 2 cops have also been suspended. Anger, grief and questions. Was it the rush of the devotees or mismanagement of the administration that caused this tragedy? And could it have been prevented? With Anirban Sinha in Puri, Bureau Report, India Today.